Some guys think that the harder they work to attract a girl, the more likely they are to get one. But did you know that the majority of guys think they can get a girl by deeds alone? Most of these guys, sadly, in the long run, end up without the girl because they never adopted the right mindset in the first place. In this video, we're going to discuss how to use the law of attraction to generate the best mindset so that you can attract women into your life. Now, before we go on, you may be asking, what's the law of attraction anyway? Well, the law of attraction is the philosophy that whatever you ask for in life, you will receive. Of course, provided that you're working towards it. For example, let's say that this is you. Let's say that that's you. And you want a car, all right? So a car. Because you have the goal as the car in your mind, you're going to automatically start taking steps towards getting that car. Or in this case, let's say that the goal is the girl. All right, meeting a girl. With your mind focused on the girl as the goal, you're going to start automatically taking steps towards meeting that girl or getting better with meeting that girl. Now, I will say that this is only one law of attraction that I'm going to discuss. There's actually a few laws of the law of attraction. Try saying that 5 times fast. But it is the most important one when it comes to attracting a girl. Basically, if you want to attract a woman into your life, you must first believe that you are capable of attracting the woman into your life. In other words, if you think you're going to botch it on the approach, yeah, you're probably going to botch it because it's what you focused on. What you focus on will happen. It's a little bit like that glass of milk. You focus on not spilling that glass of milk, and what do? You spill it. But you focus on keeping the glass steady and level, and you end up not spilling the milk. So it comes down to whatever you focus on is what's going to happen. I'm going to quote my good friend Tony Robbins, what he says, where focus goes, energy flows. So how do you use the law of attraction to attract a girl? First, you need to actually visualize yourself getting the girl. You need to see the approach that you are planning as being successful before you actually ever even attempt it. So what does that look like? So you've got your guy and he wants to approach the girl. Now, if he already thinks that he's not going to be successful at the approach because he's like, oh, yeah, I don't think she's going to want to go out with me in the first place, then he's not going to be able to effectively approach her because he's already got this mind cloud that says you're going to fail right from the start. But let's eliminate the mind cloud. Let's say that he sees the girl and he's like, all right, I feel like I am going to be successful at this approach. All right, so now he already has, we're just going to say that that's what a good idea looks like, a good idea of his success with the girl. All right, goes up to her, has a great conversation, hits it off right from the bat. However, as far as using the law of attraction goes, he's already practiced this, actually visualizing his success with that girl multiple times before he ever even makes the first approach with the girl. So he's literally practiced, he's literally taken days and maybe even weeks, hopefully not, but maybe even weeks, and every single day he visualizes, I am going to be successful at the approach. I am going to walk up to that girl and I'm going to have a great conversation and we are going to hit it off and things are going to go fantastic. The trick is you need to decide that you are worthy of success with a girl. You have to shift your focus from being afraid of not executing a successful approach with a girl to instead having a great interaction with the girl in the first place. Now, I know you're probably thinking, okay, I don't know, this sounds a little woo-woo, okay? I just envision myself having success with the girl, and then I'll have success with the girl? Yeah, I don't know, David, that sounds a little off. Yeah, okay, all right, I get it. But what if I told you this? This is the exact same technique that is used by pro basketball players when they are preparing for that free throw shot. There we go. Let's try that one. Okay. Many times before they ever actually make that free throw shot. There we go. I think I said that right. Free throw shot. Yeah. Before they ever make that successful free throw shot, they have visualized themselves successfully making the free throw shot multiple times. So what does this all mean? This means if you visualize yourself as being unworthy and being unsuccessful with the girl, you will actually psych yourself into a mental trap that will give you that result. However, by the same token, if you visualize yourself as being worthy of love, as being deserving of a relationship, by the way, just so you know, you are, then you'll actually create that result. Whatever result you focus on is going to be the result that you create for yourself. You can practice this by catching yourself every single time that you are about to think, ooh, yeah, I'm going to blunder my approach with her, and say, no, stop, refocus, redirect my energy, refocus on, no, I'm going to be successful at that approach. I'm going to successfully approach her. I'm going to successfully talk to her. I'm going to successfully have a great conversation with her. And I might even successfully get her number. I mean, that wouldn't be so bad, right? And that's my tip for this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. Go out there, find the girl. And as always, get out there and ace it.